Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. About a month ago, we placed an order for a camera lens, which is a Sony lens. And to be honest with you, we were so excited, and as we unbox, we cannot wait until we had the chance to take photos and videos with this lens. Here it is. As you can see, it comes with a lens hood, which we can put on simply like this. It is made by G Master, 70 to 350 mm, with the focal length 4.5 to 6.3. It has a lock switch which can prevent the lens from sliding when traveling. It is an optical steady shot, and we can change from autofocus to manual focus. We use this lens for birds photography, and it came in the month of April, so we got some time to take photos and videos of the birds. So let's just enjoy and look at some of the pictures and videos that we got from this lens. I'd like to mention that that this lens has the disadvantage that it's not that good in low light conditions. But in terms of autofocus, this lens is quite fast. I hope you enjoyed this video of the introduction of this Sony lens that we bought. Please give us a like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video.